Welcome students. Today in our mathematics class of class 9th topic is that is number system. Now today we can discuss how we have to represent a rational number on the number line. Suppose that is we can draw that is 5 by 7, okay, minus 2 by 3, 18 upon 5 on the number line. Okay, so first we can draw that is 5 upon 7. तो सबसे पहले अगर आपके पास स्केल है तो आप स्केल में देखेंगे कि 0 से 1 सेंटीमीटर के बीच में हाउ नंबर ऑफ डिवीज़न दैट इज़ 10 स्मॉल डिवीज़न. तो अगर किसी एक पार्ट को लिया जाए दैट इज़ 1/10. इसी तरह से अगर हम 5/7 को ड्रा करना चाहते हैं तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कैन ड्रा ए लाइन दिस टाइप दैट इज़ नाउ टेक 0 here, this side is positive and this side is negative. Now first we can draw or we can take that is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter with the help of scale on the number line. Suppose 0 that is here 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter and now that is 3 centimeter, and the number of division between 0 and 1 centimeter is that is 7. 7 equal division 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 that is 1. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and now that is the number is 5/7. The numerator that is 5. So we can take 5 division that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is that is 5 upon 7. Now if we have to draw that is suppose now that is minus 2/3. Second one similarly draw a line, take that is 0 is here, this side is positive, this is negative side, and now we can take that is 1 scale by 1 centimeter that is here minus 1, now minus 2 and divide 0 to minus 1 that is 2. What is the denominator? That is 3. So now we can make 3 equal part between 0 and minus 1. So take that is 1, 2 and 3. Here that is minus 1. Again 1, 2, 3 that is minus 2. Now we can take 1, 2 and 3 that is here minus 3. Now take minus 2/3 in numerator that is 2. So we have to take 2 small division that is 1, 2 here this one is minus 2/3. Again we have to take suppose that is C in minus 8/3. Draw this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here. This is minus 8/3. Okay, again we can take 18/5 that is C. Here we can draw 18/5. Similarly we can draw a line, take here that is 0, this side is negative side and this is also positive side. Take that is 1 centimeter, here this is minus 1, and now in this side that take 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter that is 3 centimeter, again 4 and draw 5 part between 0 and 1. Take that is equal part 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5 again 1, 2, 3, 4 then 5 again 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 again 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now take 18 by 5 in numerator, here that is 18. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Here this is, that is the 18 upon 5. Okay. Now again suppose we have to draw a irrational number. Here this is the rational number, because this can be written in the form of p by q, and where q is not equal to 0, so it is rational number. Now if we have to draw irrational number on the number line, so what is irrational number? That is those number which cannot be written in the form of now definition is, that is those number which cannot be written in the form of p by q. That, so how we have to write the irrational number? This type, that is here root 2, square root में 2, square root में 3, that is pi r. This type, that is 0.01 suppose, फिर again 001, फिर again 0001, now 401 dot dot again 0.02, 002, 0002, 402 and so on. Okay, and now we have to draw root 2 on the number line. So first of all we can use the Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle, the properties of Pythagoras theorem, that is here this is right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degrees, so this triangle is known as right angle triangle, and this angle is 90 degrees, so opposite side are is the longest side, so this is the hypotenuse, and this is base and this is perpendicular side. Now using formula, that is h square is equal to p square plus b square. So with the help of this we can draw root 2 on the number line. First of all, that is root 2. Now we have to write this, only 2 can be written in the form of p square plus b square. So suppose we can take, that is 2 is equal to here 1 square plus 1 square. It means that is base is 1, perpendicular is also taken 1 unit. So first of all take here, draw a line, this can be written as this here, and take this 0 or O, and now we have to take, that is, let us take, we can write the unit of this on x axis, on y axis, that is 5 small division is equal to 1 unit, that is, now we have to write on x and y axis 5 small division is equal to 1 unit. So 5 centimeter is 1 unit, take that 5 small division, very small unit, so we have to take 5 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay, so here that is 0. Now take on with the help of scale 5 centimeter, suppose here 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5, here that is A. This can be, the measurement is, that is 1 unit. Again at A draw 90 degree perpendicular, a perpendicular line, that is which is also 5 centimeter or 1 unit. Okay, this angle is 90 degree. Now take this is B, join OB. Now with the help of compass, take O as center, OB and radii, and cut an arc this type. Here, that is, take O as center, that is the needle point is here, and the pencil, you take this OB as radii and draw an arc this, which cut this line OX at B, C. So right here, that is, this is 1 unit and this is also 1 unit. So in right triangle OAB, by Pythagoras theorem, we can write that is h square is equal to p square plus b square. Here what is h? H, that is OB square is equal to OA chi square or AB square plus OA square. Now we can write OB square is equal to, here that is, take AB, that is 1 unit. Now AB is 1 unit, so we can write 1 square, here that is 1 square. Now that is OB square is equal to 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2, and that is OB is equal to root 2, and which is also equal to, that is OC. Now we can write OC. This is the construction of a irrational number on the number line. Okay, thank you.